Here is Massimo flarping. Flarp. F-L-A-R-P.
Not cool.
Not cool?
Hey!
Daddy's flarping too. Okay, Moss, let's see it.
You gotta take it out.
You gotta take it out, Daddy. Get it ready and stick it back in the container. And ready, flarp.
You gotta do that.
Is that how you do it?
Oh yeah? You can do better than this.
Look, Daddy's getting it ready.
Is that how you do it, Mosh? You gotta go like that.
He's doing it to yours. Oh my gosh.
You gotta make it like this. Even harder and harder.
What is it called, Moss?
It's called fart!
It's called what?
Fart!
Massimo, you are not from planet Earth.
I am from Fart Awesome!
Okay, last one. It's time for bed.
I'm the floor. We created a monster.
Wait till I show Teresa this one.
Of all the presents he got, this was number one.
This was the hit. Okay,
I
monkey.
think Mommy's cutting off your head every time.
I'm gonna do it
Because I'm laughing. I'm sorry. Okay, Ma, say goodnight, Flarp.
Okay, you gotta 10. You gotta do this one.
Like this.
No.
That's Flarp.
Oh, is that
Show Flarp.
Is that how you do it?
Okay, stick it in the container.
Gosh, this is hilarious.
This is hilarious. Is that what you said?
I don't do it like you, Moss.
No.
I can't do it.
Okay, Ma, say goodnight. He can't stop. I think he's gonna keep going.
What's this one? This one I call. Oh,
Moss, you gotta put. Oh my gosh. Okay, Moss. Last time, Mommy's gonna turn off the recorder.
okay. One more time.
Oh my gosh.
Sammy, you gotta do it like this. Make it even harder.
Okay, let's do it. Best flarp ever.
That was not cool.
Okay, give me